Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mani Talwar back again with another video. We all know that Rakhi festival is coming up. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं आप सबकी थोड़ी हेल्प ही कर दूँ. नो, अपनी शॉपिंग, अपनी मिठाई वो सब आप खुद देखो. मैं बस आपको आपके मेकअप में हेल्प कर सकती हूँ. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can do a very easy and a subtle makeup look. And also I'm going to show you what hairstyles you can do. So do watch this video till end, and if you're new to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update from my side. And don't wasting much time, let's begin. So I'm starting with this color bar matte primer. मैं अपना मॉइस्चराइज़र, क्लिनजिंग, टोनिंग सब कर चुकी हूँ. सो मैं स्टार्ट करूँगी सीधा प्राइमर से. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू कि आपको पहले आई मेकअप करना है या पहले बेस करना है. बहुत लोग पहले बेस करके फिर आई मेकअप करते हैं. दैट्स ऑल्सो वेरी परफेक्टली फाइन, बट आई लव टू डू माई आई मेकअप फर्स्ट. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद माई ब्राउज एज यूजुअल. सो आफ्टर आईब्रो हम क्या करेंगे? ऑब्वियसली हम आईब्रो कंसील करेंगे. आई जस्ट लव डूइंग आईब्रोज बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आईब्रोज हमारे फेस को बहुत ज़्यादा इन्हांस करता है. क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो अभी मैंने यहाँ पे सिर्फ आईब्रो करी है बट इसे कंसील नहीं किया. एंड दिस इज़ अ कंप्लीट आईब्रो लुक. Next, to give the base to the eyeshadow, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. And the concealer which I used to conceal my brows was shade 25. So it is one tone lighter. So for eyeshadow, I'm using this iMagic eyeshadow palette. For crease line, I'm taking this brown shade. And you have to blend the eyeshadow in the round direction only, and your blending game should be perfect all the time. Now I'm going to mix this blue shade and this turquoise shade together. After this, I'm taking this Color Essence shimmer highlighter and using this applicator brush, you can see how beautiful effect it gives to the eyes. So after completing my second eye, I'll be right back. Now my second eye is also completed. I'm removing the excess glitter which falls out. Now I'm taking this Faces Canada eye smudge. So this is a smudge proof kajal, so I'm using it as a liner and I'm going to smudge that liner also so that it will give a very smudged eyeliner look. Now I'm taking the another side of this, as it has a smudged brush. Now I'm applying the highlighter on my brow bones. Now next I'm coming to base, and I'll complete my eyes later on. So for base I'm using this Dream Matte Mousse from Maybelline. And to blend it, I'm using this beauty blender from PAC. Now to cover my dark circles and my acne scars, I'm again using this Maybelline concealer. Of course मैं इस टाइम सबको भूत ही लग रही होंगी, है ना? भूत ही लग रही होंगी, है ना? After this, I'm going to set my base with the powder, setting powder, which is again from Maybelline. For contouring, I'm using this Kryolan DJ2 from Delhi palette. I'm taking a very less amount of this because for festive purposes जो हमें घर पर ही करने होते हैं, तो उस टाइम हमें ज़्यादा contouring सूट नहीं करती. For nose मैंने कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रोडक्ट नहीं लिया, जो ब्रश में था बस उसी से कर रही हूँ. बिकॉज कंटोरिंग ऑफ मैंने पहले ही कहा, बिकॉज कंटोरिंग हमें ज़्यादा नहीं करनी है. Now I'm also taking the blusher in a very less amount. It just give a very pink tone but don't look so messy. After this, next coming to highlighter, I'm using this Forever 52 highlighter. This is a loose highlighter powder in rose gold shade. After highlighter, I'm coming back to the eyes and I'm using this wine color from the same iMagic palette. And to highlight my inner corners, I'm again taking the Forever 52 loose highlighter powder and blending it in the next I'm adding mascara to the lashes. Again applying the same 2 layers mascara. Next I'm applying the lipstick from LA18 Colourpop. Next I'm coming to hairstyles, and for hairstyle I'm thinking about to do some curls with the straightening machine. So many people don't know how to do curls with the straightening machine, so I'm going to show you this in the video. I'm using this Iconic Professional Straightener. So what you have to do is take a small strand, keep your hairs in between your straightener and curl it like this. Till the end, and after that reverse it again in the upward direction. After keeping it till 10 to 20 seconds, open it, and yeah, you will get a perfect curl like this. So I'm completing my rest of the curls also. I had again taken a strand and doing the same, and make sure आप अपने हाथ को बचाएं, उसे मत जला लेना please. You have to do it very carefully. You have to spray it all over your curls so that आपके curls खुले नहीं और आपके बाल खराब ना हो. अब अपनी मैं नेक्स्ट साइड कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ, आज मेरी एक साइड पूरी अच्छे से कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. एंड यू कैन सी द कर्ल्स हियर. आई एम लविंग इट. So guys, this is my final look for Rakhi festival. If you like this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below and tell me what do you think about this look. This much for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.